Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is APHogee. It's a pleasure having you here. Today I'll be sharing with you guys a tutorial on how I do my protein treatment. I noticed that my hair feels like it's breaking a lot, especially from postpartum shedding. So I went in with my APHogee treatment. So basically, protein treatment protects your hair from shedding as well as breakage. So if you want to see how I did it, sit back and enjoy watching. What I have in here is my flax seed, and I'm going to go ahead to boil that in my water. And as soon as that thickens up, I'll show you what next to do. Alright, so actually I forgot to video what I did next. So what I did was get a new socks of mine and poured in the mixture and squeeze out the gel, which is what you see in that container. So squeeze out the gel into that container. Once we're done that, I would go ahead and put that in my applicator bottle with some oil, and I'm applying that on my hair right now. So what I have in that bottle again is I have my olive oil with my flaxseed gel, and the reason why I'm doing this is just because it makes detangling easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair with the mixture and get my brush to detangle it as well. And that's just me showing you guys what my hair currently looks like before applying anything to it. So I'm all done the section now, and my plan was to wash this immediately, but I ended up leaving it overnight, and this is the following day, and as you guys can see, it's still a little wet and my hair is high porosity. Usually it would have dried out, but that's to show you how good this flaxseed is with the mixture of olive oil. So I'll go ahead and rinse that out, and once I'm done, we'll go in with my shampoo. So I'll go in with my shampoo to wash my hair. So this is basically the normal thing that you do: wash each section, scrub, get out those dirt before you put your protein treatment. So moving on to the APHogee treatment, I went ahead to pour it into my applicator bottle so that way it's easier to apply. So I'll apply this into each section of the hair. No need to detangle anymore. So I'm just going to make sure that I coat every part of my hair with it and then twist each strand. I'm going to go ahead and do that to all 4 sections. Then I grab my hand dryer to dry the APHogee treatment. So you need to get the first liquid dried first before you can go in with the next product. Next, I'll grab my APHogee balancing moisturizer, and I'll go ahead and mix that with my Oxy conditioner. So the reason why you want to do this is to restore to bring your pH level back to normal. And this moisturizer basically restores your hair elasticity, and it helps your hair to be more soft and repair any dryness that your hair has. So I went in and applied this all over my head, and I'll go in with my shower cap for about 15 to 20 minutes. And once I'm done that, I'll just go around and do some cleaning around the house while I have my shower cap on. Once I'm done, I'll be back to rinse out the hair, and my goodness guys, my hair feels amazing. Like, oh my word, just take a look at that, guys. Take a look. You see what I'm saying, guys? That hair looks it feels so soft. It feels really soft, and my curls are even popping even more. So I just went in to section my hair into 4 to stretch it out so that way it's easier for me to style. No, I forgot to mention that I learned this method through a lady called APHogee tutorial on YouTube. You guys can check her out. She has some really nice hair content.